back. Second day. Got some parts. Let's see what we could do. Little hat.
Go get a shovel so we can dig back a little bit.
Yeah, and that one little piece of pipe that I cut too, please.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
It's not good. That's not good at all.
Oh, you just dug it with your hand back there?
Yeah, it's a little bit.
Okay.
Right here, this is the side that we're gonna put the slip fix on.
Gotcha. So we need to cut back a little bit more?
I'm not too sure. I think we should be fine. Once I put this on, we'll measure it.
Gotcha.
Yeah, we might have to. Just a little bit. I usually extend these out all the way. Make a line. That way when I put it inside and I make it into my 90 like this, or my T, my bad, I know how far to extend this, and it lets me know that I'm maxed out. Because sometimes it might be like that, and when the water pressure comes on and it kicks on like this and that pipe slowly starts doing this, you're gonna start forcing that pipe, and then boom, that's how you blow out the fitting you just repaired. So that'll help you out. Get that. Climb. Don't have my measuring stick. I was looking for my saw blade to measure, but
it's in your
my bucket, right?
yeah.
I'll just use this to the tip. It's about right there. I got you. Okay, so we should be able to get that one in right there. You want the other pair? And then for this one, do the same shit. So yeah, just we'll measure out another one. Felt the wind from that one.
Can you hand me that?
Choose your weapon. Oh, and then we got this bad boy too.
Oh yeah.
The dagger. Yeah, that's good right there. Oh yeah, we're good. This little pocket right there.
You want me to go get something to wipe that off with?
Yeah, if we have any rags, we can. Yeah, that'd be better. All right, so got that going. This is where I gotta be 100%. Cause y'all saw this property has crazy pressure. See that bad boy right there. See that. Sweet. We can start getting this ready. And this will sit right here. Yeah. Cool. There's my mark. We know we made it all the way. That's a proper seal.
Quarter turn was right.
Yeah. Always with that quarter turn. Some people like to leave that glob. I'll clean it because once it dries, it makes like a nice little gasket. Oh, that's what I think. I haven't had any issues doing that since I've done it. I've used to use like leave the globs and stuff, but it doesn't look appealing. And number two is just waste of material, really.
Yeah.
There you go.
Very nice.
So now we'll just clean up and backfill, and we'll go take care of the small things.
Leave it open while it dries, or?
No, we could leave it open. That way we could test it. We know where the valve's at.
Yeah, exactly.
So we could give it probably like 45 minutes to an hour, come back. All right, so took a little lunch break, let it dry. I think we're ready to cover, backfill. take care of that real quick.